Alright, let's solve this together. It says x over 5 dot x over 5 is equal to 5 over x dot 5 over x. We're required to solve the value of x. Okay. Now, first things first, we can say that if you multiply this, when you see dots, it means multiply. So x times x is x squared over 5 squared is 25. Is equal to 5 times 5 is 25 all over x squared. Okay. Now, we can now say let's cross multiply. So multiply like this and like this. So we have x squared times x squared to be x to the power of 4 to be equal to 25 times 25 is 625. Okay. Now, we can say that x raised to the power of 4 now is equal to 625 is 5 to the power of 4. Okay. Now, it can be easy to assume that x is equal to 5. Okay. And you can get x equal to 5 as the answer. In fact, you can get x is equal to plus or minus 5. Okay. But these are just 2 out of the 4 answers of this question. Now let's get the remaining 2 answers of this question. Now we have that x raised to power 4 minus 5 raised to power 4 is equal to 0. I'm going to be using a really fast method to do this. Okay. Now moving on from here, we can now say that since x is equal to plus or minus 5, it's fair to say that we have x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 5 as the factors of this equation. Okay. So x times x is x squared and 5 times 5 is 25. So we have minus 25. Okay. Now we're going to divide this equation by this. Okay. So we're going to divide this equation by this. Now doing that, we have x raised to the power 4 minus 0x cubed or plus 0x cubed plus 0x squared. Okay. Plus 0x minus 5 raised to the power 4 is 625 divided by, on this side we have x squared minus 25. Alright. Now x squared times x raised to the power 4 is x raised to the power 2. When you multiply, you have x raised to the power 4. Okay, and on this side you have minus 25x squared. Subtracting, we're going to have 25x squared now positive. Now 25x squared divided by this is plus 25. Now what we're going to have is 25x squared minus 625. When we subtract here, we have 0. Okay. Hence, the remaining factor is x squared plus 25. Now, we can now say that this is x squared minus 25 into x squared plus 25 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, we've already gotten for this one. Now, let's solve for this one. So, we can now say that x squared plus 25 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, we have that x squared plus 25 is 5 squared is equal to 0. This is sum of 2 squares, and if we have a squared plus b squared, it's equal to a plus bi multiplied by a minus bi. Okay. Hence, from here we have x plus 5i multiplied by x minus 5i is equal to 0. Hence, x is equal to plus or minus 5i. Okay. So the 4 answers for x are x is equal to plus or minus 5i or plus or minus 5. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.